Good morning, welcome back with me again here. Let's talk with me again, and this is my YouTube channel. Now I wanna doing my homework because today's weekend. We don't have class. Yeah, like every day. Now, uh, I will helping my mom. But first, I wanna some doing something here at my house before I'm going market. Cause yeah, my mom is still busy and have so many activity or homework. Yeah, I'm not have holiday. Like when I get home, I just have an activity again, like campus. Yeah, and I hope you guys are watching my video until finish, until end. And how are you today, guys? Are you have breakfast or no? Yeah, cause breakfast is very important. Don't forget to breakfast and doing your homework. Guys, last night I just sleep early because I'm so tired. I'm not uh, I just watching for so short time with my phone and I'm going sleep early. And I just turn off my phone. Look at this, just talk, just continue to talk with me. Now I wanna go take a bath first, but after I make a video. Yeah, guys, I'm not take a bath first for making a video because as you just want to you just want to see me before take a bath. I'm still like yeah, like this, the same. Don't have a different face. My campus now is very chaos, guys, because we don't know what we can do first, because it's so many events. But we still stuck. That's why we still like so very not have map, like stuck, stuck, like yeah. And we don't know how to make this finish for this. And This is make me not working again about this organization. Oh my gosh, it's very chaos. I don't know until what. I don't know, but I hope it's so fast for make this finish. Sorry guys, I just flew here. Guys, I don't know. I don't have specific topic here. But maybe I wanna talk about um beach or what or yeah country, Indonesian country or yeah so many singer here in Indonesia. It's so many singers famous, and then this singer is very famous in other country. Yeah, it's not for Indonesian, but it's so international and people international people can mm, knowing a singer from Indonesian country. Yeah, you know, there's so many singer, so many singer like famous stuff from Indonesia and Philippines. I don't know why Indonesian is have so hobby same like Philippine maybe or we just born to sing. But as a singer, but as a have a singing hobbies, I'm really lucky, guys. Because when we want uh enjoy about music, you just can to singing and with with own self here at house and or anywhere we can go. Just need to listen own self. That's why I say that like Indonesian and Philippines have so many singers, and I'm so lucky to have these ones. Yeah. And my campus have so many singers there. We're really lucky, guys. And I can hear the parent or the person, so many person have a voice, so many type of voice, like high tone or down tone. We have a different tone of voice, but we sound as a singer. This make me like yeah, and uh, we have like, you know, different can make we are still same. Yeah, you can talk about the different of every people. You can not as a same. You just need to differ. If you really uh if you really need as a success, or you can need to different. You don't need as the same, but you fail. Yeah, just different, but make you feel so success and famous. This is the principle. Uh, this is the principle from my lecture. Or yeah, it's another way from different. That different. So many things different from Sunday. And don't have a high pride like now. If you have a work but still not famous work like you as a younger, but you have high pride, you can working slowly for your life. You can't just stuck. Maybe you just stuck if you like this. So just doing everything as a human. But if you want to find for your life, you can success someday. This is yeah, our no about this topic is so just flow because I'm not thinking about topic. I'm not thinking too much. Just speak clear and I brought up camera because I don't have a prepare. Just try more now for say anything I want. Yeah, maybe you have a so high dream, but if you not can different or you can try and you really not want uh, make it mistake, maybe you not really knowing about fight fight about your life. I mean fight about your life. It's not war, guys. It's so different, right? It's talk about fighting and learning. Yeah, I mean you fight about knowledge. It's still hard. It still hurt my lips. I guess I'm so sorry. I just yeah, my lips is still sick. It still hurt, guys. It makes me not comfortable to speak English. Yeah, that's why I just quiet when my friend uh talking. but this is for a vlog. Okay, see you.